Okay, I'm with Gypsy Jewels from Zero Discrimination and my tech guy John. And I know of a swimming hole that the pioneers used to use here on this river, and plus a ton of people float this river. And Gypsies, I've always wanted to do the river hunting. I really don't know how, so Gypsy's agreed to show me how, and John's gonna take his underwater drone and see if we can see anything at the bottom of this swimming hole. So Gypsy, tell me what we're gonna be doing here.
So today I'm going to be using the brand new Garrett Goldmaster 24K. It is taking White's technology and Garrett put together, and Garrett recently bought out White's, and now they're taking the best of the two companies and putting them together and putting this GMT 24 out. We're going to test this out for the first time today. May have Terry try to run this one, and then I'm going to be using the Ace Apex in the shallow areas here at this river. And we've got an old swimming hole here, plus there's a lot of tubers that come through here on tubes and lose all kinds of things. And then today we've got John, and he has his underwater drone, and we're going to take a look at that and see if we can get in this deep spot over here where there used to even be, from what I understand, an old diving board attached to this rock over here. So they used to jump off in there, and I'm sure they lost a few things, and if it's not ever been metal detected, there's no telling what we could find.
So these detectors you got, well, first of all, this one you got, the White's Garrett combination, it's not even on the market yet. You're a field representative for Garrett, and you chosen to get to try this out?
Yeah, I'm going to be testing this out, and it'll be on the market very soon. And I'm anxious to try this out and see what this baby can do, see if we can find anything good with it. And I've been using this Ace Apex ever since it came out on the market. I even got to test it before it came out on the market, and I love this machine. So we're going to see what we can find.
So one of the drawbacks of these two machines, though, is that you can get the coil and the stem wet, but you can't get this whole machine wet. Garrett does have great machines that, when I first met you was using them all the time.
Yes.
The whole thing can be submerged?
Yes. So there are fully submersible metal detectors. The Garrett AT Max, AT Pro, or AT Gold are all fully submersible up to 10 feet deep. Now these are both waterproof up to the display boxes. You just don't want to submerge them in water all the way. So there's lots to choose from, but we can still detect in the shallow water here and see what we can find.
So with that, John's getting us hooked up on that, but in the meantime, let's go find some gold rings.
Let's go find some. All right, gonna test this out. This water looks really cold. I'm kind of scared to go in. So I'm probably gonna stick to the super shallow areas. But there's a signal here. It's hitting a 59. Could be trash, but
be careful, there might be a lot of fishing lures in here,
right.
So don't get stuck by a hook.
I see it. Ah, look at that.
Look at your first find, a pair of beat up sunglasses.
Those have been there a while. Lost the lenses. But hey, first find, we know there's stuff here. We'll see you on the next.
My name's Tony Carley. I grew up here in Provo. This is the rock behind me. My granddad used to swim here as a child, so that's how I heard about it. Told me a lot of neat stories. One was Thomas Monson used to swim here. He actually saved a gal's life just right there. Folks swim here every weekend of the summer by the dozens. I've been swimming here since I was 11 or 12. It's about 16 feet deep down there.
And then you're telling me that metal plate over there used to be a a diving board on that?
Yeah, so from what I understand, that used to be a diving board. It broke off years ago before I ever came swimming here, but that's what the story is.
That's something your grandpa told you? And
I believe, I've heard it from a number of people. I believe my granddad said there was a diving board there. I've heard it from a number of folks.
It looks like, you know, there was something there. So,
yeah.
So, and you heard that, you know, your grandpa told you that there was, you know, from way back, you know, in the pioneers days, they used to come here and swim, or just when he was a kid they did it.
Yeah, he said when he was a kid he swam here. His family before him swam here, just as far back as we could remember people have swam.
John, show me and Gypsy what you got going here, what you're going to do, how this works. Tell me about this.
So I'm connecting to my underwater drone, and this you can have float. I'm not going to have it float this time, but you can have this so it floats in the water, and you can take this anywhere you want. It's connected right now to this 50-foot tether, so that if we ever need to pull it in for whatever reason, we can. And this also gives me communication. What it does is this connects to this, which is always on the surface, then that connects to either my iPad or my phone, and I can control everything from that and record everything that's under the water.
So what we're doing here is we got this old swimming hole that we're going to check and to see if we see anything down there. That way I know if I'm just going to take Gypsy and chuck her in there to go get it or not. So
That's right.
If you find something, you might get thrown in.
I don't know, man, to get some dry suit on before I go in
This is a cold river.
It's cold.
This is a cold river.
Oh, wow. It's already shooting water there.
Yep.
Here we go.
And here we go. So the hole, John, is just right in front of this big boulder here.
Okay. Look at that. Look what we got on the screen already. So there we go. Let's see what we got here.
Already seeing stuff.
Are you?
Yeah.
See some rocks.
Yeah.
Okay. Got some rocks there.
Those are aluminum cans. What is that?
I don't know what that is. Okay, where are we?
Over there.
Yeah, it looks like there's some things stuck in the brush there. It might be looking. Yeah.
Like, what are you seeing?
Yeah.
Like,
see, what's that red? What's
that? Well, that looks like a can, but this over here looks like the handle of something.
Look at that. There's all kinds of things in there.
All kinds of stuff stuck in there.
Okay, let's see what else we got here.
Okay,
Yeah,
I don't know
see
how
what?
well y'all will be able to see this, but because of the glare, but he's going to send me some of this. Oh, there's all.
Oh, what's that? What is that? Is that a tennis shoe? Oh, there's all kinds of stuff in there. Oh my goodness.
All kinds of stuff caught in that one
little current there.
there.
So where are we at right now? Can you see where the drone is? Can you see it under the water?
Over there. Oh,
did you see the fish? We caught the fish. Oh, there he is. Do you see him? Do you see the fish? Do you see him?
Yeah.
Oh, there's a big one. There's a big trout. Yeah, I love it. Look at that. He's
a beer bottle.
Look at that. They're chilling out by the cans. Look at that. The fish. There's a whole bunch of fish in there. Oh my goodness.
You've got to send this to me. This is cool.
Look at that. Good bad boy.
He's looking at you like, what's that?
Oh, what was that?
That might be a fishing pole.
Let's look down again.
Fishing pole?
It looks like it's a fishing pole, yeah.
What'd you find? Oh, part of a glass.
Yeah, sunglasses. Find a lot of those in the river where I
Smile pretty.
What?
Smile pretty. How we doing? Video on a YouTube video. Smile. Smile.
Terry, I'm out here. We just got in here. I got a pull tab and I got this hit. I pulled it up and it's a bag, a plastic bag, but if you look at it, it's got leeches all over it.
Oh man.
But you know what? I see something shiny and metal in there.
Oh, look at that. I see that.
It looks like a watch. So let's open it up and see what is in there. Gotta watch out for those gross looking leeches. Let to get my other glove. That's really grossing me out with those leeches. Oh, jackpot.
What'd you get?
Rings.
No way!
There's 2 rings in there. And a watch.
You told me, man, that we was gonna find some rings, and you did.
Those leeches go. Look at those leeches go. I don't know if there's anything else in there. But let me
They're
make
2 wedding rings. Probably a man's and a woman's wedding ring.
Oh,
Nice.
ruby. And I don't know, that could be garnet. Maybe
they look
garnet.
like they've been in there for a while.
Yeah, this one looks silver to me. It's tarnished, but this one, I don't know. I'll have to clean it up and see though. 2 rings and a watch.
Nice find, Gypsy.
Oh, look at that.
It's cracked,
Yeah, the
destroyed.
lens is broke.
Well, that bad, you know, they put it in there obviously to be
Right,
watertight,
look at
but
there.
yeah.
There's the lens right there.
But that bag
I mean,
was had a hole in it, so. But nice.
Sweet. Let's see. Skagen something.
Nice. Nice find, man.
Sweet. That's the kind of stuff I like to find. Except I don't like the leeches. I'm going to run my metal detector or pinpointer over this and make sure there's nothing else in there, but awesome find. We're off to an awesome start, aren't we?
Nice job.
Awesome. We'll see you all on the next.